Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back with another haul. This haul is special because it's almost Thanksgiving, so that means it's Black Friday deals. So the items I'm showing you guys are from Express, and this week from Tuesday the 21st to Friday the 23rd, they're having 50% off and free shipping. So it's the perfect time to get those items that are normally a little pricey at half off. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I picked, because normally around the holidays you want to dress up and be cute, but you also want to be chill and cozy and casual. So I have quite a few options. I have options for the night out. I have options for just chilling at home and you want to be warm and cozy. And then I have, a casual going out outfit. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into the haul. You know how I do. So the first thing that I have is a denim shirt. I haven't bought a new denim shirt in so long, so I saw this one and I just thought it was updated. It was really cute. So I have this denim shirt and I got this in a size extra small. It has really nice pockets. I just think this shirt is really cute. I like how the buttons aren't exposed, so they're like hidden underneath this little flap, which I absolutely love. So yeah, it just looks like this. The sleeves do come rolled up, but it is a long sleeve. It's just a regular long sleeved denim shirt. So let's just unroll the sleeves while we're at it. So yeah, here's what the shirt looks like. Really cute. So I have a pair of denim jeans that I picked to pair with the denim shirt, so give a little denim on denim look. So here are the jeans right here. These are the Perfect Curves high-rise leggings. I didn't even realize that I got like jeans that are made for curvy people, because I have a little bit of hip, but I don't think I'm like curvy. So we'll see how these fit. I have them in a 00 regular, so they're like the same wash as the denim shirt, so I think it'll be a really cute little denim on denim look. So here's what the jeans look like. I really love the wash of these, and of course they are skinny leg and they do have a little bit of distressing on the bottom, which I love. So moving right along, I have some really soft and cozy pants. Like, these are the softest pants I'm pretty sure that I own. I don't even know what these pants are called, but they're super cozy. I think this is like a Chanel material. But yeah, I have these in a extra small. So they just look like this. Really soft and fuzzy, almost like those fuzzy socks, but they're pants. So they're super warm. I know this is going to be perfect for just a chill night at home, watching movies, just lounging around. So I had to get these pants because they just looked super soft. I had to get them. So I have those pants, and with the pants I have this super warm and fuzzy pullover. It's gonna go perfect with those pants because they're like a salt and pepper. So I think this will go perfect with it. I got this in a extra small. Just looks really warm and cozy. So I can't wait to put this on. I'm probably not even going to want to take it off. So I have this here. Moving right along, I got something cute and fun for the girls, for the night out girls. So I have this sparkly mini dress. It's super cute. It has so many different colors in it. It's vibrant. It's just popping. So it's like this metallic glittery ribbed material. It is on the shorter side. It is like a little mini dress. I got this dress in an extra small. This is like the perfect night out dress. Like, this dress is popping, okay? This is gonna be super cute paired with like some booties or something. Like, I don't know yet, or like those clear heels, but it's getting pretty cold here, so I would definitely pair these with some type of boots. So yeah, I got this dress. Moving right along, I have some super duper cute sequence shorts from Express. They just look like this. They're like silver high-rise shorts. So cute. I got these in a 00, you guys. Literally all you have to do is look on the website, because don't sleep on Express. They have some super cute stuff. So here are the shorts. They're high-waisted, of course. I can't wait to wear these too. So with the sequin shorts, I just have this basic black ribbed turtleneck. This is just a short sleeve turtleneck top. I got this top in an extra small, and it's just a basic black top. Moving right along to another going out piece. So I have these velvet sequence leggings. These are, look at them. Let's just look at them glisten. These are so cute. I got them in an extra small, of course, and they're so soft. They're really cute. Get into the texture. You see like the velvet and the sequence. Really cute. I can't wait to wear these. And I don't even know where I'm wearing them to, but I can't wait to wear them. They're just so cute. And then of course I can pair these with the black top that I have to go with the shorts. And since they do have a little velvet in it, I could probably pair these with the velvet blazer that I showed you guys in the last Express haul. So yeah, moving right along, I have this black button-up cardigan, but I don't plan on really wearing it as a cardigan. I plan on wearing it like an actual shirt, because I was looking at the reviews of the tops, because when I'm picking out items, I like to look at the reviews to see if items run small, big, you know, just see what people are saying about it. And most of the girls were wearing this as a top and not a cardigan, so I said I'm gonna wear it as a top too. So yeah, I have this black top in an extra small. With that top, I have another pair of jeans. These are Perfect Curves jeans as well, and yeah, they're like a dark washed, they're almost like a gray. So I have these in a 00 short, so these literally stop like right above my ankle. But yeah, they're high waist, of course, so they just look like this. They have a bunch of stretch to them. Well, not a bunch, but they do stretch. So yeah, we'll see how these fit. So the last thing that I have from Express is this cocoon coat. That's what they called it online, and I saw this coat with this denim shirt, and I was just like, oh my god, I need the coat too, and I need denim jeans too. I need a whole denim on denim look with this coat. So I literally just copied what the model had on, but this coat, the colors are just so cute. It's like a coral and gray. It's so cute. So I got the coat in extra small. Fits really nicely. It's like a wool material, but it's so cute. It has a little collar, some buttons, pockets. I just love this coat. I can't wait to wear it. It's so cute. It's plaid. It's just giving me life. It's so cute. So yeah, those are all the items that I have. Of course, like always, I will be sure to have the links to all the items that I have in the description box for you guys. And Express is having 50% off right now, so you don't even need a coupon code. There's 50% off everything on their site and free shipping. So I'll leave all the details to that in the description box as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.